Guys, you know what? I've been listening to the music of Master Kgee. You know, Master Kgee, my brother. Your work, your craft is amazing, my brother. I don't know you. I never met with you, but nje ngithi you're going far and kuyezwakala isandla sakho, my brother. You know, it's your season, it's your time, my brother. Wow. You're doing well, my man. You're doing well. Yeah. You know, I've been following your music. Ngiwulalela umculo wakho, my brother. Master Kgee, my brother. You're doing well. Doing well, my brother. Yeah, I like your craft. Muhle umsebenzi wakho, siyawubona kuzanda zakuza, siyawubona kunomcebo. I think 2020 is your year. Isikhathi sakho, my brother. Stay humble. That is my advice. Stay humble. Yes, usegwi hit, but stay humble. Stay humble, my brother. And yeah, I wish all the best, guys. We art niqhubeke nje nirock. You know, it's, you know what, I love it. I'm enjoying your music, bruh. I'm enjoying your music. It's very nice. Yeah. Muhle umsebenzi wakho, my brother. Keep it up. Helping osisi bethu niqhubeka nibahloniphe, nibafundise indlela yokuyiphatha kwemali naku-entertainment industry. Yeah, nibaphathe kahle osisi bethu. Thank you, Master Kgee. We wish all the best. Continue to respect your supporters wherever you go, wherever you are. Thank you so much, my brother. Thank you.